Hi guys, today is our first video. We're hoping to have fun and it's about how to make a chocolate milkshake. So let's get started. The ingredients you'll need is vanilla ice cream, a scooper, milk, whipped cream, and if you want this specific whipped cream, you can get it at ShopRite. You're gonna need some cocoa powder, Hershey syrup. This just for design. You don't need to use it if you don't want to. Gonna need some melted dark chocolate, an extra bowl for the Hershey syrup. We're gonna talk about that later. Okay, so let's go. First, we're gonna put 3 scoops of vanilla ice cream in the blender. I already put like 2 scoops before, so I'm just gonna put 1 more. Okay. You're gonna add some milk. I also put milk before the video. And this is how much milk you should have, maybe for like 2 people. Okay. Then you're also gonna need the cocoa powder. Maybe around like this much. I know it seems like a lot, but for this much milk, it's not. Okay, got that done. Now you're gonna need a Hershey syrup. We're gonna use this again later. Then you're gonna take the dark chocolate. If you have like a silicone, then you should use that. If you have like one of these silicone spoons, you should use this. Put it in the blender. Then after that, you're gonna need to blend it. Make sure it's like about this. Looks like that. Wait, I forgot what's after that. Oh wait, we need one more thing. One more, not ingredient, but tool. You're also gonna need a grater. After that, you're gonna want to pour these into 2 jars. Wait, before that, you're gonna take your Hershey syrup and pour it into the bowl I was talking about that we're gonna talk about later. You're gonna need some like around this much. It's just for the design. You don't need to do this part if you don't want to. You're gonna take your thing, I don't know what it's called. You're gonna dip it in the Hershey syrup. Try to get as much as you can. Take your glass. Put it here, then press the button. Makes a cool design. It's gonna start dripping to look like Candyland. I'm doing it for 2 people, so. That's why I put some extra syrup. No, just tell me, does this not look like Candyland? Now, after you did that, you're gonna pour the milkshake. After a bit, like that design's gonna go away, but it's gonna stay for like right now. There's some left. After that, you're gonna use your whipped cream. If you guys don't know how to use whipped cream, it's pretty simple. You just shake it gently, flip it over, and push the nozzle sideways. Oh my god, that was crazy. That was annoying. Okay, well, now after you did that, this is just like those parts. Now you're gonna need the grater and your Hershey nugget. Just to grate on top of it. Spilling everywhere, dude. I'm spilling it everywhere. Okay, now after that, we'll put some more syrup design. Then, if you want, you can take a few, like, bites if you want. You just take some more, just for design. Just like dip them in like that. Then you're almost done. You don't have to if you don't want to, but you can put a straw. Yeah, you don't want a straw, don't you? And you're done with your milkshake. I hope you like it. Enjoy it. Bye.